They both have the same middle name.
Come on, baby.
Isabel.
Oh, how does Grace's spelled?
Grace.
Grace, how do you spell your middle name?
T-R-C-A. It's Grace.
No, but how do you spell Isabel? You can let go of her. It's
You can
okay.
let go.
Since
You don't.
we're with her,
Yeah,
it's okay.
it's okay.
Thanks, Grace. How do you spell Isabel? Do you know?
You spell it first. Ketchup.
Come on, honey.
Come on, Dior.